Hi guys, it's RedemptionGabe and this is part 2 of Classic Calliou pulling the fire alarm and being arrested for it. So if you haven't watched Classic Calliou gets arrested and grounded for pulling the fire alarm, please check the video in the link of the description.
I wish I could get out of this boring class. Wait, I've got an idea. I'm gonna pull the fire alarm that is right there in the hallway. Let's do it. Smart idea. Right? Oh, Classic Callou, what you are waiting for. In 3, 2, 1.
Bring the suspect in.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, where is his attorney? Is he/she gonna be present?
Yes, Your Honor. I am Attorney Steve representing Classic Calliou Anderson.
Alright, I am gonna have you sit on the front row, while the witness and his parents, which soon will be here, be sitting in the second row.
Yes, Your Honor. I'll sit Classic Calliou and his attorney on the front row.
Do you solemnly swear to tell the truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do swear to state nothing but the truth.
Defendant, do you solemnly swear to tell the truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, officer, I swear to tell nothing but the truth.
All right, Your Honor, I am sure that the defendant and the attorney that is representing Classic Calliou has been sworn in this court session and agreed under oath. All right, officer.
Honey is a great bet. We don't have to worry about anything now.
Hey Mom, you are not gonna believe this. These are letters coming from the Animate Juvenile Court regarding with Classic Calliou.
Honey, I think Callou is telling us something important. This is about Classic Callou.
Look here.
Oh no, this cannot be good. Boys, you might want to see this.
Alright, Doris, I am gonna get Rosie downstairs and you, Doris, watch out for Rosie and Callou while I attend his juvenile court case.
Alright.
Rosie, get downstairs now. This is regarding with Classic Callou.
Yes, Mom and Dad.
Your mom is gonna stay while I attend Classic Calliou's court case involving on him getting arrested for pulling down the fire alarm at school. Alright, Callou, I am gonna go you to be on your best behavior while Mom looks out for you. Got it?
Yes, Dad.
Yes, Dad.
Now that your dad is attending the court case, let's see what we can do.
Alright, here comes more people. Alright, court is now in session. To the general public attending this court case, please be here and respectful. That means no talking unless you got permission or spoken to.
Do I really care about this?
Defendant, please refrain from talking unless I tell you to, or you ask. Alright, Mr. Bill, please tell me what you have so far.
Well, I was just minding my own concerns until the fire alarm went off. Luckily, I have CCTV camera footage of someone doing it, and you know who that can be.
So, Mr. Bill, do you remember who the suspect was in that video?
You bet your honor he was classic Calliou Anderson, who was caught on camera pulling the fire alarm in the halls of Regan High School.
Alright, now I'll have the witness speak, which is MRPC guy. MRPC guy, what seems to happen here? So I was in class teaching about social studies, then when classic Callou asked me, he said he wanted to use the restroom then, as I found out from Mr. Bill, our principal, said that according to the CCTV cameras he was not in the bathroom, so he basically lied to me using the bathroom, so he can cause some type mischief. Alright, witness, I will now decide to mark him guilty or innocent. The vote begins. So let's begin.
There's no way I am gonna forgive him for that kind of stuff, so classic Callou, you will be marked guilty. He literally caused the whole school to evacuate without a good reason.
Guilty for me, your honor.
Of course guilty. I will never let classic Callou use the restroom again, and if he is gonna use it, I'll have someone watch him. Order. Now for classic Callou, the juvenile court has found you guilty of false reporting of a fire emergency. I am hereby sentencing you 3 months in a juvenile detention facility and 1 year of probation for your misdemeanor charge. The case is now dismissed. Officers, take him away.
Oh no, I am gonna be screwed. No, 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 no.
Wow, I am so glad that classic Calliou is gonna learn his lesson and be sent to juvie.
I do not want to hear a word from you. I am taking you to the juvenile detention facility for your sentencing.
This is your cell with nothing that you like. Now get inside.
Oh, Mom and Dad, what are you doing here?
Well, as I said, you are going to be grounded for a month once you're out of juvie. I heard from the judge that you are going to serve 1 year of probation.
When your 1 year of probation is up, we're gonna find a way that you won't cause trouble. Now go to sleep and think about what you did.
Like, comment and subscribe. Remember to follow my social media channels, which will be in the description.